Hi, I'm Ahalya Gunawardena and I'm from the Fashion and Textile department. And I chose fashion design because it's something that always appealed to me and what I thought I'd end up doing in the end. For my final major project, my chosen design scenario was the story of everything, and I developed my final collection around the world of Formula One racing. My initial idea generation started with youth restlessness, and with that I looked into the hippie movement in the 60s because of the activity that the youth were doing in the 60s, which really caught my attention. That sort of spoke to me by saying everyone's different, and when we're all young, society puts pressures on us and tells us that we should act a certain way, do certain things to be appealing to the rest of society, but then us as a person, we have this idea of ourselves, and that could be totally different to the way society tells us to act and behave. So I chose this Japanese marbling technique called suminagashi to represent that sort of development of a youth's personality, and I wanted the lines of that to represent that. I amalgamated the world of Formula One racing because it's something that the youth of today really resonate with and are connected to. And also because the 60s was also a time of change for the Formula One, because a lot of their safety regulations came into place. That's what I wanted to sort of bring out in the concept. The final collection was a men's collection, which I used silhouettes from the race suits and the other sort of garments that the drivers wear to create the silhouettes in my collection. So at the moment I'm focusing on doing menswear, but in the future I hope to incorporate a women's wear line in my brand and make more comfortable and everyday wearable clothing for both men and women.